Happy Sunday. I'm vlogging today, trying to get my energy up. I'm gonna be starting my monthly soon, so things are a little bit slow around here, but still also trying to get things done. Hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of our living room and how it's coming together, some photos I just bought, as well as I need to clean our second bathroom and do a little organization with like my beauty products. So that's what I have planned for today, as well as making a couple recipes for meal prep. Nothing too intense. We actually have family coming in town later this weekend, so I know we're gonna go out to eat probably once or twice next weekend. So yeah, quick simple meal prep. I'm actually watching a vlog right now, but anyway, this mirror has been here forever, but we got our TV stand. I plan on getting a plant for that area. Like I said, just put some photos together, so I got a little clutter here, but this is the sofa bed Chaise lounge situation. This actually lifts up. I have my yoga mat in there. And then here rolls out and pulls out like that. Like, how cool is that? I just love this. This is so great for movie night, so comfortable, so cozy. So I'll have this all linked for you guys. That pillow is from Target. This is the lamp. So perfect little spot for reading. I've got my laptop here so I can edit later. All my dumbbells. That's a new little bin that I got from Target. So pretty affordable furniture. Looking to get some sort of art piece up here. And then AJ said he has an idea for a coffee table and an area rug. So things are coming together, but you guys, I'm so proud of myself. I actually got photos printed from Walgreens yesterday. It was super quick and easy. Had I done it like earlier in the day, it would have been same day pickup, but next day was fine. And I got the picture frames yesterday also. So the fact that I've gotten these frames and photos printed within 24 hours and I'm ready to put them up on the wall, that's huge for me. So this wall is like really, really big, and I only wanted to do like 3 photos because just trying to keep things a little bit minimal and clean here. So these are nice and oversized. They're sorry, I've got the patio door open. First really nice day in Milwaukee. So it's first day of spring. It's like 57. So I'm just letting in some fresh spring air. But anyway, so you're gonna hear a little bit of outdoor traffic, but these are 20 by 20 frames, so they're gonna fill up this wall pretty nicely. But I love that the inside is just the 5 by 7, so perfect for photos that you've probably taken on your phone. And I have an older iPhone, iPhone 7, so you know, I didn't want the resolution to be distorted or anything. So I love, and then I think that's kind of like the trend right now is like these oversized frames, but the inserts are small. But do whatever you want to do. You know, this kind of stuff can be expensive, but I was willing to make that investment for these really nice photos of AJ and myself. Say that this is not a tutorial on how to hang photos, because clearly I have a pretty crazy way of doing it, but I hang my home photos all the time. I don't know why I don't get one of those, like, there's a level thing on your phone, but it's not very helpful. I need one of those laser things, but I think I got it right. I forgot I had that body tape measure. So I'm using that, and then I think the second one is going to go up a little bit easier, and then the third one should be a piece of cake because I measured the back of the photo with my ruler to try to figure out the spacing for the 2 hooks that are behind it. So worked up an appetite though, so I'm having this little sandwich here with, I'm actually going to use that rotisserie chicken. Glad I got two to make that chicken salad recipe again. I'm going to meal prep that this week. Slow down, Chaise. But for now, I'm just got some toasted bread with this vegan mayo. It's made with avocado oil, so this is even cleaner than your other plant-based mayos. So it's soy and canola oil free. That's why I like it, and it tastes really good. I got some Dijon mustard. That's what I put on the bread first. Arugula, then my rotisserie chicken, some pickles, and something new I've been adding is this balsamic glaze. Well, I actually just tried it right now. Not something I've been doing, but I saw a girl do this in one of her YouTube videos, and I was like, ooh, that sounds like that would be good on a sandwich. So that's what I have, and it's pretty tasty. So I'm gonna eat this and then finish hanging this up on the wall. I've been doing this for like an hour. And then get to this bathroom. Alright, so we just finished prepping dinner, and with all honesty, I did not get to the makeup organization portion of this video, so we're a few days later, but I've got my cleaning supplies here, and I am ready to tackle this expired makeup. Actually, guys, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but my eyes got really irritated and red from a mascara, so I knew it was time to go through all of my makeup and make sure I threw out anything that was expired. I have very sensitive skin, so as soon as I think within minutes my eyes were getting red and itchy from the mascara that I was using, so I knew it was time to throw it out. So here is the before of everything, what's in each of their drawers. I've got skincare, makeup, my manicure stuff, and my hot tools. This is our second bathroom, which is kind of my spa beauty room because it has a bathtub and I love to take baths, but I've really taken over this space and I want to make it practical and functional, not just for myself, but for if we do ever have any guests, I should have some space for like guest towels and things of that nature. So I could definitely go through my things and eliminate what I have. So I'm going to be quiet now and let you guys enjoy the music and enjoy cleaning if you are doing this along with me. And I will pop back in a little bit. We are almost finished here, you guys. I have my manicure products and tools rather soaking and sanitizing, getting a nice deep clean, and then I organize my makeup in categories, and then of course throwing away everything that was expired. So it was nice to just get everything out, kind of the Marie Kondo method, just get everything out and then separate, organize, throw away what's old, and then clean. So now my manicure tools are clean, and here is the after reveal. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I still have some room in the back there if I need to add anything, but yeah, this looks really good and way more functional than I had it before. This is where all of my nail polishes are, and then I have this pink bin to store my gel lamp and my dip powder kit and my electronic file. That's my moisturizer. I use that every day, so I have that sitting out. And then I'm using my makeup brush tray. My brushes are still waiting to be cleaned, but showing you my Yoni Day Spa products in the back there. You should check her out on Instagram if you haven't. But if you want to do a Yoni steam and things like that, I have some of her products. But I was saying I'm using this makeup tray or brush tray to hold some of my skincare products as well, because I don't have as many makeup brushes as I used to. So here is my makeup organizer. I also have some of the brush heads that goes with my little dermaplaning skincare facial tool back there, as well as my brow tint and lashes. So I don't have just makeup in here anymore, which is nice that I could organize some other things as well. So I'm very, very happy with how this turned out. And then as far as the drawers, you guys, I have 2 empty drawers, so I can definitely put some guest towels and toiletries in here as well. And then I'm still going to go through my hair care products, which are in our master bathroom, and go through my hot tools. But you guys, I filled up this entire waste bin of makeup, and then I had to also fill up this trash bag with extra stuff. So I got rid of my hot rollers. Wasn't sure if I was going to miss those, but I haven't used them, so getting rid of them. And then I have my eyeshadow brushes here waiting to be cleaned. I did want to point out a few of these brushes. I actually got these from TJ Maxx. They are really, really soft. And then for face brushes, I love Real Techniques. And for eyeshadow brushes, I love these dual-ended eyeshadow brushes from Eco Tools. So not only does it save space, these are great for traveling, so you don't have to pack a million brushes in your travel bag. Alright you guys, I've got to run. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Love you. Mwah.